The one thing that makes Orlando Pirates the scariest team to play against this season is that even though they don't play the best game, even though they are not always fluid, they find a way to win. And namhlanje All-Star bedlala against the B team Orlando Pirates, but guess what? They found a way to win even though bangadlala kamnandi. Yeah, they were not impressive at all. They were not impressive at all. But they find a way to win. That's what we want. That's what we want from people who are building themselves up into being a club called, nicknamed Operation Teka Hingwashu. This is what's happening this season, 25-26 season. Orlando Pirates is Teka Hingwashu. If Orlando Pirates participated in Kufa, the Kaizer Chiefs, the friendly cup, the beginning of the year. With these Orlando Pirates, I promise, the B team would take that. Our B team would take that. They are not fluid at all. ST. I know because I love it. So, with this kind of Orlando Pirates, we would have taken a